WWL-TV's Eyewitness News begins with breaking news.
A court hearing today revealed why two men accused of killing a Kenner maintenance man may have done it. Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us on the Eyewitness News at noon. I'm Mike McDaniel. The two men facing a first-degree murder charge for the shooting death of 66-year-old Lawrence Herr were up for bond status hearings today. Herr was shot while installing a mailbox outside of a home in Kenner early last month. Leah McNeil joins us live now to explain what we know. Hey there, Leah.
Well, hey there, Mike. These two suspects are facing first-degree murder charges, and that charge does not allow for a suspect with that charge to get a bond. That's because of the nature of that crime. Now, the defense attorney's goal for this hearing was to get that charge lowered so that way they could get a bond in place for their clients, Tahj and Maurice Holmes. But it was a detail that was revealed by a detective called to speak on the facts of this case that gave us a little bit of insight into a possible motive that will cause that first-degree murder charge to stick. Now, the 7-year detective with the Kenner Police Department said both Matthews and Holmes were stopped by police on 2 separate occasions. The first time was hours after the incident during a routine traffic stop. The second was when they were arrested a day later for their alleged connection to the crime. When questioned about why the duo targeted 66-year-old Lawrence Herr, the detective revealed Matthews said they wanted to, quote, kill a white person, end quote. The detective also stated there were no projectile or bullet casings found on the scene, but did say that Matthews, who appeared to be the driver of the car seen in surveillance video that police did obtain, confessed to stashing the gun in the attic at his home, which police were able to recover. They also obtained a search warrant for where Holmes was living, but nothing turned up there. They say they have not gotten the test back for DNA evidence on that gun. Now, on the flip side, defense attorneys questioned the clarity of the surveillance video police gathered, the timeline and the level of planning that goes into a first-degree murder charge. They also questioned the credibility of witnesses the detective cited in his statement, since the detective did say at least one person said they thought they heard 2 gunshots instead of 1. That detective did confirm that Herr was shot 1 time in his back that went out through the front of his body. Now, those first-degree murder charges will stand for both of these suspects in this case. But as of right now, the defense team does tell us that they will be going back to the drawing board, reviewing all the facts of this case and seeing if they could come back and get another bond status hearing to lower that charge for their clients. Reporting live, Leah McNeil, Eyewitness News.
Leah, thanks. We have another